When it comes to Peter Larson from Just a Few Acres Farm, whose work I simply can't ignore, there is one individual whose work I simply can't ignore. His channel on YouTube presents a wholesome lifestyle, with content ranging from the care of cattle to the construction and maintenance of farm equipment. People who are interested in agriculture and livestock will find Peter's channel to be an invaluable resource because it provides in-depth coverage of these topics. The fact that I can't fast forward through any of his movies is really frustrating to me. In this video, I will explain Peter, or Pete, as his followers fondly call him, and the reasons behind my profound appreciation for his films, which I believe you will share. I will also address the reasons behind my deep enthusiasm for his videos, which I believe you will share. Peter Larson has established himself as a notable figure in the industry of cattle and agriculture, where he is often known as a farm tuber. He is in charge of a prosperous livestock business that is located on a 45-acre plot, and the way in which he manages everything is nothing short of astounding. Those who are interested in learning about organic cattle growth might look up to him as a model to follow. What I admire most about him is how transparent he is with his audience, providing advice that is sincere, helpful, and personally tried and tested based on his many years of experience. His hens, turkeys, pigs, and cows are all raised in a way that is environmentally friendly and does the least amount of environmental damage possible. His in-depth explanations of this procedure, in which he does not leave any topic unexplored, are quite admirable. His material persistently encourages viewers to make the most of their opportunities and assets, which is a quality that I find quite appealing. This enterprise is a family affair for the Peters. In addition to Peter, his wife Hillary and their 3 children, Cora, Grace, and Henry, all take an active role in the day-to-day operations of the farm. A sight that will warm your heart is to see them collaborating and helping one another while they work. Their unwavering commitment to their family business is exemplified by the fact that they built everything themselves, from the fencing to the machinery. Remarkably, they meet all of their electrical requirements through the use of photovoltaic systems, which exemplifies the concept of sustainability in their business practices. Cornish cross hens, Duroc and Berkshire breed pigs, and ADCA-recognized Dexter cattle from Ireland are also part of their herd. In addition, they offer turkeys for sale every year during the autumn season, and from May through October, they process their hens twice a month. The welfare of their cattle is of the utmost importance to them, and this is reflected in their feeding practices, which consist of feeding their animals grain sourced locally and grass cultivated organically. His devotion to organic farming practices extends to the land that he cultivates, which means that synthetic chemicals and fertilizers are avoided as much as possible. Because of their dedication to organic farming practices, they only sell produce of the highest possible quality. On Saturdays, the high-quality meat that they sell can be sampled by anyone who is interested in doing so at the Ithaca Farmers Market. Beyond his typical topics of livestock and home improvements, Peter's videos are entertaining and interesting to watch. The video titled Bull Battle, which has received over 2.5 million views, is a personal favorite of his as well as a fan favorite among his audience. He uses amusing elements in his performances in order to keep his audience amused. I absolutely adore Peter's writing and the upbeat spirit that permeates his posts. He enlightens his audience about the quality of meat that they consume, and he emphasizes the importance of growing organic livestock as well as the satisfaction that it provides. Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below if you are also a fan of Just a Few Acres Farm. The video for today has come to an end. If you found that to be enjoyable, please indicate your approval by clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and activating the notification bell so that you may be abreast of our most recent uploads. We appreciate you watching and hope to see you in the future. Thank you very much.